Hello, dear learners. Let's continue with the B part of the question, which deals with the upper course of the river. Remember that we are looking at processes and features. Now, at the upper course of a river, you need to understand the characteristics of a river at that stage. Now, you discover that at the upper course, a river just starts flowing from its source. Now, when it starts flowing from its source, it is still at a very high elevation above sea level, because most rivers take their rise from the hilltop or from hills and they flow towards the lowlands. So at that area where they have just taken their rise, they are still very small in volume, and they are flowing very fast because the section of the slope is also very steep. Because of this, you now discover that the river uh, flows very fast, and the type of landforms that are common at that section are also different from those that are formed at the lower course. Now, looking at the landforms, you discover that you have landforms such as V-shaped valleys or V-shaped channels, rapids, waterfalls, gorges, and others. Now, these landforms are created through erosional processes. Erosion simply refers to that process where particles are dislodged from their location and they are transported away. Now, there are different erosional processes such as solution, abrasion, and hydraulic action. So through these processes, the river is going to be eroding its valley or its channel, shaping it into landforms. And we have mentioned those landforms already. Now, when they shape the channel into these landforms, you discover that the water that flows within this area continues to transport the particles that have been produced towards the lower section of the river. And when we talk about transportation, it transports the particles in or through different mechanisms. First of all, some of those particles can easily be dissolved in water and they are carried as solution, within which you cannot easily identify the particles, but a change in the taste of water will tell you that the water is transporting something. Then it can also be those particles can also be transported as suspended particles within the water, or they are transported as bed load, meaning that those that are larger are transported in the process of saltation and traction down to the lower course. Thank you.